Hello, everybody. Welcome to the stream. My name is Devin Martin, and I'm working on a game that is untitled. First things first, we're gonna work on the lighting for just a moment. Lighting is pretty much good to go. We just need to make it much lighter because, okay, here's some nice fire. Just the dungeon's way too dark by default. So we're gonna fix that real quick. It was really only like that because I was just testing out the lighting. The lighting's just for fun, pretty much. I might have like dark levels, but you know. Let's see. That's much better. Okay, cool. So I'd like to make some torches that spawn on the walls. That'll just take a minute, so let's do that. Also, I want to make items that. Yeah, I guess a torch should be an item technically. Yeah. Okay. This will take longer than a minute. This will take a moment. Okay, object item. That's good. I guess all we're gonna do for this really is just. Okay, we gotta make item generators. I've been waiting to do this, and this is the perfect time to do it. We're gonna make a whole separate script for this, just because it's gonna be a lot. Okay. So we'll say item generate torch. We'll give the item. And we'll give some extra data. So basically the way this is going to work, let's just go do it in, let's go into the level generator real quick and just plop some in. Let's say level generate, oops, level generate torches level. Okay, we're gonna randomly put down torches. For var, let's just do, I don't know. We'll say, I don't know. We'll do 10 torches. And we're doing a while true loop, which I don't usually like to do. Find random wall. Var wall equals var wall instance find random, which is a function I'll write. This will just return a random instance of a given object. That's object, okay. Return instance find object instance number object -1. Okay. That'll just return a random That'll return a random instance. Cool. Alright, and we'll say if not instance, I guess we'll say place meeting. No. Instance position wall x plus g. No, that's y plus g. Okay. So if we're not touching a wall below this wall, then we can put a torch here. Break. Okay. Create torch. Var torch equals instance create depth. Wall.x plus g divided by 2. No, that's normal actually. Wall.y, I guess that's fine as well. We'll just see wall.depth -1 object item. Okay, now we're gonna say item generate torch. And maybe I should do this like this. items torch. Let's do it like this. Okay. So we're gonna have a function called item generate. Does this require more like upfront work though? I guess not. No, no way. Okay. Enum items torch. Create item map. Sure, why not? Item map equals ds map create. So we're creating a map. Each key will be an enumerator. Item map items.torch equals that. We'll say generate function generate is, well, we're going to create that. Function item generate torch item data. Okay. That's not how I spell generate. Item generate torch. Okay, cool. Get generator for, I'll get item map type. Run generator data function generate item data. Okay, should be good. Right? Yeah, everything's good. Generate the torch. Okay. I'm so tired. Okay. So, we generate the torch with no information. Okay. I'd rather not generate any items of this stuff right now. Oh shoot. Let's see. Item sprite. Okay, that's fine. We can do that like in the step event, I guess. Let's just get rid of all this. We don't want any of this stuff. Item draw. Item sprite. Okay. Step event. Yeah. Finish sprite. If let's see here. What does this look like? Do we get a blueprint situation? Yeah, we do. Okay. Oh, we gotta delete this. Let's see. Sprite blueprint destroy. Okay. If item sprite blueprint and we gotta remove this. Item sprite blueprint equals no one. Okay. Good. Okay, now in here I want to generate the torch. So I mean, I guess we want to, let's see. Let's make like a torch handle. Let's go into item, let's see, physical items, let's say sprite torch handle. Okay. This is literally just going to be like that. Cool. And then we're going to sprite blueprint. So now we're actually generating the the segments for this thing. Let's see. Item sprite blueprint SPR torch handle 0. We're gonna be this is gonna be at 0 0. This will be random range, because this is actually going to be the length. 0.75, 1.25. Random range. This is gonna pretty much have to be 1. We'll do like 1 to like 1.25, whatever. And then we'll do angle be 90. This will be C orange. This will be 1. Okay. Wonderful, wonderful. And we'll add other things eventually, but for now, this will work. Okay, that's fine. We're gonna make all the items torches right now. That's because we only have one item generator, and it's not gonna work if we don't generate an item. So in the level generator, when we are creating items, which is happening somewhere stupid. Oh, we're not even creating torches yet either. To do that last, we'll do it here. I could probably do that in the layout, but whatever. I think in player. Yes, okay. 100 items, really? Bar item equals, let's just do like 25 items. Item generate item dot item items dot torch data. Hopefully that works. We'll get a bunch of torches off the wall and a bunch of torches on the wall. No, it will not. Oh, that's because why? Is it in the goblin? Because the goblin has an item, right? Yeah. But that should be fine. That shouldn't really matter. I guess they're also gonna get a torch. Item generate item item items dot torch no data. Okay. See if that works. If not, then we'll. I should though. Item create. Oh, shoot. No, that's what we do. Okay. Because we don't actually have an item instance in that case. We're just creating an item. And we're running it through a generator. Okay, item how distance line. What? This should automatically do that though. Oh, and then we have to finish it. Okay, let's finish it. Item. Well, okay. If item blue sprite blueprint finish item. Let's just make sure that there is a sprite to finish. If item sprite blueprint. Cool. The sprite blueprint is basically a surface that. What's happening? Why? That's fine. Blah blah blah. Item not cooldown. Unable to find instance of. Okay. Why? That shouldn't really matter. Why is that happening? Let's see what's going on. So this is happening in the items draw. Script item draw, okay? Go to item, and no item draws in there. Oh, I see, okay. Okay, yeah, we have to draw an instance. Oh, that's kind of weird. Well, no, we don't. We have to draw the item. Okay, so we simply go into the item object. I know what's going on here. Object item, draw item. Okay. Yeah, we passed the item, not the sprite, obviously. How would it know where the position is based off just the sprite? Okay, maybe this will work. Cool. Do we have torches? We have fire wherever we want. Ah, there's a torch. Hi there. Goblin with a torch. Cool. Are there torches on the walls? No, because, yeah. It's okay. All I have to do, I think, to fix that is, like, let's see, where's the generate torch? Here. Generate torches would have to be wall dot, minus wall dot, yeah, something like that. That'd probably work, because the wall's positions there minus y. Oh no, it's not. It's like something else weird. Do I see any torches? It has to be creating them because, yeah. Well, let's just do the drawing real quick. Let's do the drawing. So when we create an item, let's give it a particle. Yeah, we'll give it just a little bit of particle information. We shouldn't need more than just one. I can't imagine when we'd need it to create more than one type of particle. Well, probably should imagine it, I guess, but that's okay. We can just say particle array, and we'll just do that by default. Yeah, that's fine. We'll create so we'll iterate for I array lower than array length particle array item dot particle array I plus okay for particle data. Let's do particle. Okay, cool. And all we need to give it is like a position, or maybe a like a length sort of deal. Yeah. Okay. So let's go into the torch generator real quick. So we'll say item dot particle array equals array add item dot particle array. And we'll say object equals obj particle fire. Is that an object? Yeah. Okay. Length equals. We'll just do like 6 for right now. We'll just hard code it, and then radius equals 0. That's all we should need. Okay, and then in the items draw, we just have to say get particle and calculate position for x equals item.x for starters plus length dir.x. Now the length will be particle length, the direction will be item.ankle, and this will be plus random range minus item, minus particle dot radius. Particle dot radius. This is positive. That should work. Let's do some spaces here. The longer ones I like to do spaces. Okay. That should be good. Create particle instance create depth x y 0 object particle dot object. Now we should have fire on our torches now. We should. Nope. Item particle array. Whoa, it's laggy. Okay, let's make sure that it only does this if it's within the view. If let's see here. Item.x, item.y, okay. Point in view. Do I have like a vector class or like a vector script? I don't think so. Just put it in values. I'll make a vector script. Let's do points. I don't have a points one yet. Point in view x, y. Def point in a rectangle. X, y, view.x, view.y, view.x plus view.width, view.y plus view.height. Var b equals 0. Just set this up. B plus b plus b. Okay. Alright, should be good to go. We just need one of these. Cool. That should significantly increase performance. Nope. Oh yeah, there's no line there. Let's see. Okay, we're good. I just gotta find a torch. All the monsters should have torches right now, and they should be lit. These dungeons are kind of big. There's only 2 monsters spawning right now, so. And I mean, I guess there's no torches spawning on the walls, because I would have certainly seen one, I would think. Oh, okay. Pretty good, pretty good. Yeah, it's not bad. Yeah, that's cool. I gotta make like an offset. Yeah, we just gotta do an angle. Angle equals 90. Okay. I didn't think I'd have to do an angle, but it'll just act as an offset. Let's see here. We want item draw, want angle plus particle angle. Yeah, that'll work. I just don't really know why the torches are not spawning on the walls. It's weird. Oops. That was my mistake. I hit a debug button on accident. Okay, let's find that guy. I'm pretty happy with this field of view. I haven't seen a field of view that works like this before. I think it's pretty nice. Okay, there's definitely the enemy up in here somewhere. Ah, man, can I even... Is there a room there? Or is there's just a guy on the wall? Okay, sorry, guy. He's just in the wall. Let's see. Come on, there must be... I gotta just create more monsters, I suppose. Let's see. Player will create like 8 monsters. And why is it not creating items on the ground? That should really be happening. Strange. Okay. Well, there's many more monsters. Okay, good. Good. That looks great. I'd like to kill him, but I can't. Because I don't have a weapon. It's funny. Okay, cool. It looks pretty nice. I mean, it's, you know, it needs work, but... Now, why are there no, why are there no items spawning? Let's see. Yeah, because these should be, I mean... Let's see what's going on. Item... That shouldn't be there. So why is it not? I got item, great. It should be creating these torches on the ground as items. But I don't know why it isn't. Oh, I know why. I know why. It needs to, item.x equals x, item.y equals y. That's why. Now we can kill monsters with torches, okay. And then they'll drop the torch, hopefully. Good. Oh gosh. Oh, the torch isn't technically a weapon, though, so they can't swing it. Interesting. I'm surprised it doesn't break anything. Let's, yeah, no, that should be the way it is, though. I don't want you to be able to hit anything with a torch, I don't think. Well, might as well. Let's see. I guess the torch should be like a spear, kind of, maybe. Item dot weapon equals... No, because doesn't an item have weapon information by default? So why can't I swing it? Weapon, move type, move weapon. Oh, no, okay, yeah. So all we gotta do is say, like, we just gotta change this, pretty much, to be, I don't know if they should hold it out in front of them, like, straight out, like a spear. I guess let's just try it out. So item weapon dot... We'll do swing first, and we'll see what that looks like. Yeah, okay, it's definitely working. Oh, good, and the torches on the walls appear to be working as well, although they're not really. They're not. The depth is wrong, but it's okay. I think that looks okay. I mean, there's a lot of particles. There's a lot of particles there. Let's see what we can do. Yeah, like this one shouldn't be because. Oh yeah. No, it shouldn't be. Okay. Oh yeah, because yeah, it's kind of obvious that that's not going to work because there's no. Yeah. Okay. Few issues here. For one, the depth's all wrong. How is a wall calculating its depth? Let's find that out first. So, object wall. Okay, yeah, so I mean that should like be fine, right? Let's do the same thing here. And then oops, that's not gonna work. I'll do this one. That'll make it even more above it. I mean, it should. But are we setting an item's depth? Oh, we're setting an item's depth like in here. That's problematic. That is problematic. I guess we could do like plus here. We'll do like this. Y plus depth offset. Okay. I'll just set that. And then all we gotta do is say that the depth offset is something. Yeah, that'll work. Torch depth offset equals something. It'll be this, right? It might be that, it might be minus that. It'd be easier to just test it than to try to figure out the math in my head, so we'll do that. That worked, cool. Okay, we've got torches now. Sweet. That's cool, yeah. Nicer. Alright, now there's a lot of particles. It's kind of laggy, so I'm gonna make the torches particles die quicker, or fire rather, just go away more quickly. I don't like how it looks. It looks weird. So first of all, the torch's handle needs to be thinner, in my opinion. In my humble opinion. Yeah. Let's go in here. I'll do group torch. Let's do this. Torch head. Okay. I'm gonna do some different heads real quick. Just want to see what this will look like. Just do a few different styles. Cool. Let's just try those. Why not? And then when we generate the torch, we'll place a head randomly. That'll be cool. Then we've got to turn the whole thing. So let's. Oh, firstly, fire particles need a bit of a change. I don't like their color. I want the color to just be the same. Do this. And I want the shrink speed to be quite a bit more. So we'll say x shrink equals like random range 0.05, 0.1, we'll just do 0.1. Well, 0.29, 0.11. I'll just give it a little bit of randomness. Tiny bit. Okay. Then quickly on the torch, let's see. Script generate items. Let's see. I want to do 1 for now, and then we can change. We can. Let's see. Okay, and then we will add head if chance 180. I don't know. Sprite blueprint segment add. This is the first. This is a more complicated item that's being generated here. The most complicated we've done for sure. Head. Random range 0, 100. The X is going to be sprite get width sprite torch head divided by 2 times X scale. That should work. And we'll randomize the scale a little bit. 0.75. That will be good. Cool. And then we gotta like turn the whole thing around because yeah. Ow, my leg. Let's just see what this is gonna make. Oh no. Well, the fire looks a lot better. It does not look incredible, but there's a few things we got to do first. So, firstly, this is going to stay at 1. It might be 2. Yeah, we'll do that. This needs to be centered differently. This needs to be, actually, it's okay. This handle, though, needs to be a smaller sprite. We got to say, like, 8 by 1. Whatever, that's fine. We can just do that. Okay. See, the issue here is that you can't even see the head. Whoa. That looks really bad. Yeah, I mean, I guess we should just back it up 1 pixel? Is that? I mean... Oh! No, that's the problem. The handle. There we go. Okay. That'll be better. I was getting the wrong sprite's width. My humble mistake. Okay. It's going off the ground here. Let's see. Let's go back like another pixel, I guess, and then we can, when we generate the level, the torches will have a an angle of 90. That just makes sense to do it that way instead of the other way. Yeah, so one issue I'm having is, yeah, the torches really need to be thicker. That's the problem. So we're going to edit this. This is going to become 2. This will come down to here. The head all the heads will need to be edited slightly, which is fine. It's actually not a big deal. Ooh. That one's easy too. I don't really like the way this one looks, although maybe it should, we'll see. They might all ought to be a little bit larger, maybe. Let's see. Probably gonna want to be bigger. I want them to be kind of pronounced, so. Oh, also, when we generate the sprite of the torch, let's give it a chance. Let's give it a larger, up to like 24 pixels long, and just see what it looks like. Why is it generating like that? Oh, the offset's not right. It needs to be. We need to set the length. Bar length equals beep, boop. And so then all we got to do here is do length divided by 2. And then this can just be length divided by 2. Okay. Cool. Let's see. Okay, good. Torches aren't setting their angle though. This needs to be a little bit larger too. This needs to be length like plus 2 or something. And oh right, the item needs to set. Yeah. Okay, hang on a minute. Item.angle equals image angle. Boop, boop, boop. Okay. Torches are still not. Oh, that one's good. Kinda. Why isn't it like creating them right where it's supposed to though? Oh, because it's no, that should work. Strange. Well, let's have it so that when an item creates I'll make an offset, I guess. Two, whatever. 2 is probably too much, but we'll see what that looks like. So an item draw. No item. Item draw. We will then. Oh, there's already a variable for that. I'm stupid. It's radius. 2. Cool. I forgot I already set that up. But 4 might be too much, so we might have to move that down to 2. Yeah, it's a little weird. One ought to be okay. Yeah, that's fine. Whatever. It's not amazing, but you know, nothing in life is, right? That looks pretty awesome, actually. Cool, yeah. Looks like a magic wand. But I like that. That's cool. The fire is just way too fast, I think. It's coming in too quick, and it just looks weird. So I think I'd like to have it, maybe like scale up when it's first created or something, like independently of. We can make all the particles be small and kind of scale up, I guess. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, so what we can do is par particle. We'll draw draw sprite ext. We'll say sprite index, image index, x, y, image angle, nope, x scale, image y scale, image angle, image blend, image alpha, cool, plus grow, or times grow. Okay, I'm gonna add this grow variable real quick. Grow equals 0, and then we'll just move that. Grow equals approach smooth grow 1, 0.1, 0.25. We'll just actually should probably be like 1. I forgot I changed how this works. Okay, that'll hopefully kind of pop them in and have them kind of. We'll see if it looks okay. It'll make them look a little bit nicer, I think, when the particles are spawning. Needs to be quicker. Approach 0.25, and we need to have them move slower for sure, and yeah, because they're moving just way too fast, like 2.5 to 0.5, and now they're gonna barely move because the shrink speed's too small, it's too slow or something. So 0.2, 0.3, whatever. We'll just try that. We'll just see what that's like. With particles, you really just gotta adjust slightly and hope that it works. Okay, so that's like better. I think it's just a little too slow. I don't know. It actually looks pretty freaking cool. It's just a little bit too slow for me, I think. Looks like they're moving in slow motion. I like slower moving fire particles, but that's too slow. They're shrinking too fast, I think. Let's just hard set this. We'll see what it looks like. That looks okay, actually. That looks okay. That might be good for now. Uh-oh. Bam, bam, bam. And obviously at some point these will make the enemies burn, but you know. I wonder why that one. Oh, because sometimes they don't even have a head. Right, okay. They should probably always have a head. Let me also do one head that's like. I like that one. Let's do a few of those. That way it, like, you know, does those a little more often. Okay. Item. And I'm going to stop working on torches in a second because this is taking too long and I don't have to put so much time into it right now. but I do just kind of want to make sure everything's working okay. Let's just have always add ahead. We'll be good to go. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. Nice. $24 is way too much. Yeah, we'll do that. Okay, so let's try this, okay? This is a little bit of a tangent, but I want to test this out. So, if we have a torch, we're gonna have, let's just destroy all this stuff real quick. Destroy it, what? Let's just close it. We want to set a is lit. Item is lit equals true, and we'll do like a key. We should probably have a particle map, maybe. Let's do that instead. Particle map. Flame equals this. I think that'll make more sense this way. Okay. An item now has a map of particles. Particle map equals ds map create, and then we iterate through the map. Our keys equals ds map keys to array item dot particle map keys. We'll get a particle this way. Yeah. We'll get a key. Get the key. Var key equals keys I. Okay. And then to get this, we just say particle map key. Okay, cool. That should all work exactly the same. Let me just make sure it's going to. And then we should have flame as, yep, okay, cool. So we're gonna check, we're gonna make requires is lit. Okay, cool. Okay, we'll check for if there is a requires attribute. So check for requirement if struct has we'll make this real quick. Where are my structs? There they are. Function struct has. I know there's already a built-in for this, but I don't like it. Okay, if struct has particle, I guess let's not even do the trigonometry. unless we have the requirements met. Requires if struct get particle dot particle requires 0 particle particle requires okay. I think that'll check out. So if our requirement is not met, then it will not emit the particle. Okay, but we are lit. Is lit to be true? Oh, shoot. Struct get item. Yeah, okay. My mistake. So the item is lit. So they all should be lit. Cool. And then if we make is lit false, they should not be lit. Cool. Okay. Now what we can do is we can make, this should only take like a minute to implement too. If everything's good, we should be able to add an item interaction type. Where do I do that? It's an inventory, right? Okay. I think, right? No, where is this? Button functions? No. Item interactions. Doi. Okay. Use isn't even like defined yet. So we'll just say lit or light. Okay. And then we check and we'll say if struct, oops, what am I doing? If struct has item is lit, return true. Else, I guess I could just do return this. Yeah. Okay. One line instead of 5. Okay. And then we'll just say item dot toggle. No, is lit equals toggle. Item is lit true false. Okay. That should do it. I just gotta look for this. Give me a torch. Any torch. And I should be able to toggle it. Look at that. We can toggle it on and off. Ain't that a thing? So if I toggle it off and drop it, it's white. It shouldn't be white. That's okay. Let's light it. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. That was easy to do. Cool. I should make a helmet with a flame on top. That'd be pretty cool. All right. That's neat. Yeah, I like that. Well, that pretty much checks off all the lighting things on Trello. That's good. Yeah, so what we gotta do is kind of go through this and think about what we really want coming up here. I want to add Spider webs. Oh, not a spider too. Vampire. I want gold too. Okay. So we're gonna get on this. I think the first thing we're gonna do is ensure we can use stairs. Alright, so we're gonna make sure we can use stairs first, because right now I do not think we can at all. I haven't tried going down the stairs for like a week, so I don't think it's gonna be good. Stay away. What I'm going to do is make the inventory not get affected by the lighting. That's shameful. There are the stairs, okay. And it'll break. Oh wow, it worked. Amazing. I can't believe that that worked. Do I carry my items through and everything? So I travel, go back up. Wow, I'm shocked. Okay. Let me just see, because I don't think I'll carry my items through. I think it creates a new player, and yeah, it definitely creates a new player instance. So, which is fine. Okay, so the player's inventory definitely needs to be like attached to the player, like the player object, which is fine. All I gotta do is create an inventory for each player. Cool, and then I gotta say inventory equals inventory create. Cool. I just gotta see how that's kind of linked up to the player's body. That might be a problem. That might be a little too coupled, but I don't think it is. Let's see. Shoot. It's quite coupled. No, because I think all that we'll have to do for this all we have to do is just move the player instance. We don't have to. We'll just make them persistent. They don't use physics. What? We'll just make them persistent, and yeah, that's all we'll have to do, I think. We'll just go into create player. We'll just check to see if there's players. That's all we gotta do. That is all we have to do. Where are we going? World. This. And we just check for the player. Yeah, see, all we gotta do here is set the player's position. That's it. That's easy. This is like the dumbest way on earth you can do this, but whatever. I really gotta get multiplayer working, because this is not, it's not good to be working around like this. Okay, we got player. The player is persistent now, so if we get an item, we should be able to go down the stairs and still have it. The player's health will stay the same, all that jazz. Just gotta find the stairs. There they are. Cool. Well, now I've died. That's okay. Ooh, right. That's fine. I just gotta do a transitional thing. I don't even have to do this here. Yeah, you know, I should probably just get multiplayer, like, functioning perfectly, because that seems like it's probably the most pressing. Alright, we're gonna go... Why didn't that save? Multiplayer. What? Can I control? Okay, thanks. Okay. This is a good time anyway to end the stream. I'm tired. I need to eat some food. I barely did anything today, so I gotta get up and at 'em. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you later.